Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be installing a solar TPMS sensor that I've been seeing online for a while now on the EG. Two reasons why I have chosen to install this. One, I want to hide that ugly crack in the dashboard. Um, and two, I'm very lazy to check the tire pressures regularly. So I hope that this device will actually make life easier for me. Okay, this is what you get in the box. I guess this is the unit itself, and these are actually the sensors that attach to the wheel. So the installation is actually ridiculously easy. So you just unscrew the tire valve cap thing and then screw this on, and this will just work in place of your regular tire valve. So they are all marked. So this is like front left, and then the rest like front right, so on and so forth. It comes with instructions, and although it's in English, the way that they word it is, I don't know what they're trying to say at all, so it's not very useful. I think it's pretty straightforward, so I guess I'll just go and install it first, and then we'll see how this goes. I don't think there's an order in which how you do this, but I'm just starting with the front left because it's the one that I grabbed first. So you just locate the tire valve cap, unscrew it. I think you put these washers on, and then you put the sensor on. That's on now. I don't think I can screw it in any further. Look good. On to the next. Front right. Rear right now. And the last one, rear left. So they actually like stick out quite a fair bit, as you can see. Like they don't screw in like all the way in. I'm not sure if this will cause any problems. I guess if I shouldn't be doing this, let me know in the comments. But yeah, let's just look at the main console and we'll see. So we're in the car now, and here's the crack that I want to like cover up. So I used to have that little solar, what's that, aroma diffuser fan, spinny thing. No idea what it's called, but yeah, forgive me. Yeah, so these are all the cracks, and then that was like covering like this part of the crack only, so I could still see like this big crack from the driver's seat. So yeah, I'll just use like those double-sided sticky tape, and I'll just stick the console up here. Right, let's see how this fits. Oh, it actually can go all the way. Nice. So it actually it sits super flush, and it covers like the crack almost entirely. I'm super happy with this. Even though, so I guess even if it doesn't work, I'll just leave it there because it just covers up the cracks, and it looks very nice. Oh, it's a bit, I guess I'll just center it because it's a bit off center right now. And now for the moment of truth. So I think we have to press the power button for 3 seconds. And we should get a reading. Hopefully. No, 0. What? Okay, let me check the instructions and I'll be right back. I figured it out. So actually all I had to do was just take it for a short drive, and then I guess all the sensors just kicked in and then I got reading. So yeah, as simple as that. So, you know, sometimes I wish all our problems could go away with a simple drive. Anyway, that's it for today's video. It's very short and simple. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's I guess it's a bit gimmicky because, you know, these sensors, I don't think they're very high grade, so the reading's not like perfect accurate. But I guess it's something that, you know, just delay your intervals of checking your tire pressure, and, you know, just warn you in case something goes wrong. Give me a like if you like it. Hit subscribe if you're not subscribed already to keep up with random content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.